To use a voodoo doll, start by making a small doll to represent a specific person. There are a couple of ways to do this. One is to print out a photo of the person and sew it onto the front of a stuffed fabric figure. You can also create a simple doll out of cloth, yarn, or any other material of your choice. Then incorporate an item belonging to the person, such as a lock of their hair or a small piece of their clothing. Before using the doll, clear its energy. The easiest way to do this is to simply lay your hand out over the doll and focus your energy and thoughts on making it pure and new. You can also try more traditional techniques like washing the doll in salt water or purifying it with sage smoke. Voodoo practitioners believe that you can channel positive energy through a voodoo doll to help the person that the doll represents. To do this, try holding the doll while you concentrate on your wishes for the person, such as prosperity, happiness, or good health. You can also prick the doll with different pins representing your desires. For instance, a blue pin represents love, so sticking a blue pin into the doll's heart would indicate your wish for the person to find love. Voodoo dolls can also be used to invoke harm. For example, if you want to gain control over a person, prick the doll's head with a red pin while focusing on the type of power you want to have over them. Whether you decide to use your voodoo doll for good or bad, reinforce your actions on the doll by praying to the spirits, or Loa, of voodoo, and lighting a candle in their honor.